Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm sure you guys are aware, if you guys are using Robinhood, that it went down again today. So this has been the third time that the brokerage has actually gone completely down since I've been using it within the last couple months. And I do understand that they're currently in the process of updating their platform, and that could be causing some of these glitches, but I don't really trust them as like a platform for all of my money at this point. So I'm debating restarting the investment series on a different brokerage, like maybe WeBull or another brokerage that might offer fractional share investing or something like that. So let me know what your thoughts are. Are you guys sticking with Robinhood, or are you guys jumping to another platform? Just wanted to get some feedback from you guys before I made that decision. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Horrible moves after market, by the way.